Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So this reading is about what are they going to feel during this week, what are going to be their feelings for you in this week. So let's start with Capricorns, whatever. Okay, so we have freedom, we have surrender, we have silence. This person, I do feel that if you are talking about whether your no contact zone is going to break or not, the silence is going to break or not, I don't think so. The silence is going to break. Other than that, also, I feel that this person is thinking that you are really living your life, Capricorns. Okay, this person may feel that you have actually surrendered everything to God. You are enjoying your freedom, you are actually enjoying your wildness. Okay, though this person definitely admires you from a distance. Okay, they are not really expressive about their feelings, they are not wanting to express their feelings. Okay, because the thing is, they don't want to disturb your peace. They do feel that something is there which is making यू अनअप्रोचेबल. ओके, कुछ ऐसा यहाँ पे हो रहा है जहाँ पे इस पर्सन को लग रहा है दैट केप्रिकॉन इज नॉट समवन whom I can approach, at least at the moment. So you are also in your silent mode, you are wanting to be in a no contact zone. And other than that also, I think your intuition is going to be super high this entire week. Okay, so you will know who is actually, you will be able to catch the person's energy. And I don't know why, but I do feel that there are more than one or two people whom energy you will be able to feel during this entire week. ओके, कुछ एक इनर नोइंग वाली चीज़ होगी जहाँ पे यू विल हैव दिस फीलिंग, ओ दिस पर्सन इज थिंकिंग अबाउट मी, ओ दिस पर्सन इज वांटिंग टू कम्युनिकेट विद मी, समथिंग लाइक दैट. कुछ ऐसे नजेस आएंगे, कुछ ऐसे इंट्यूटिव डाउनलोड्स आएंगे. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई थिंक दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू विल बी नोइंग, बट you will be enjoying your freedom. And this person will, I don't know, but this person is going to sense it, this person is going to stalk you or whatever, but they are understanding, like, damn, this Capricorn is a beauty, that kind of an energy is there. Okay, let's see what do we have for Virgo. So we have finances, we have addiction, we have heartbroken, and we have home and foundation. Something is definitely there. One message that I'm getting is this person really wanted to have a solid foundation with you. Okay, whomsoever you are dealing with, this person wanted to be with you, this person wanted to probably marry you, this person wanted to have a stable connection with you. But at the same time, I also feel that this person is either feeling that you are too money oriented, you are too much into your finances. Okay, or probably this person is too much in their finances. Okay, this person is too money oriented, this person has certain unhealthy addictions as well. And that is kind of, that entire thing, them being money minded, them having certain unhealthy addictions, probably smoking, alcohol, all of these are certain addictions which is keeping both of you away from each other. Now you will have to see यहाँ पे addicted है कौन, who is the person who is actually addicted to these things. Okay, other than that, if I talk about how this person is going to feel about you, they are very much disappointed, they will be disappointed towards if you have prioritized your career over the relationship, if you have prioritized money over this relationship, if you have prioritized unhealthy attachments and all these addictions and stuff, this person is really heartbroken about that. Okay, probably either you have ghosted this person or this person has ghosted you, but you both had feelings. At least this person had a lot of feelings, but this person felt that it's better to stay away from Virgo, because Virgo is too much into this, Virgo is too much into that, Virgo is too much blah blah. Okay, that is the kind of energy that I see. But this person is actually disappointed. This person's heart is actually aching for what has happened in the past. But yeah, one thing is for sure, this person really wanted to be with you. This person wanted to share their home with you. They wanted to share their family with you. They wanted you to become their family member, but probably things didn't happen that way, and that is something which disappoints them. Let's see, what do we have for Taurus? So we have divine intervention, we have relationship connecting, we have grave, and we have divine connection. So one thing is for sure, we have divine intervention and divine connection here. So your person is recognizing the connection that you both have. Your person feels that you are their soulmate or you are their twin flame. Your person is recognizing your value. Your person is understanding your value. Though I do feel that you are dealing with someone from your past, because it also talks about second chances. This person may want a second chance when it comes to this relationship. Not you exactly, but I think they want to reconnect. They want to connect with you. Probably earlier they were connecting on a very friendly level, or it was more of a fling or whatever, but now they genuinely want to give a chance to this relationship. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा connection वाले cards हैं. Here also we have relationship connecting. So this person would want to reconsider things with you. Okay, because this person is understanding that sometimes it's also about the timing. Sometimes we are with the right person, but the timing is not right. So this person is realizing that with Taurus, maybe the timing was not right, but the person was right. Okay, so there is going to be a lot of love bombing from their side, but not exactly love bombing, but I do see them putting efforts, appreciating you, valuing you, giving you time, all of that thing. So there's going to be a very nice lovey-dovey kind of an energy. Romance is definitely in the air, so you can expect a communication, you can expect a call from this person, or some kind of a communication is definitely on its way. Let's check what do we have for Pisces. So we have afraid, we have everlasting, we have healing and releasing, and we have commitment. So with Pisces, one thing is for sure, that your person really loves you, whomsoever you have in your mind, whether you guys are in a contact zone or not. Some of you, I do think that you are in a contact zone with this person, but probably things are not really that serious at the moment, and this person is wanting to take a step in this relationship. They want to probably propose you or take this relationship to another level. They want to heal the past with you, or they just want to help you. Okay, I actually see a very pure everlasting soulmate energy for Pisces. Okay, but this person is really afraid to express their feelings. Okay, this person is kind of afraid to be vulnerable. This person is afraid to really speak about their feelings, because and not because they have this fear of rejection or anything. I don't think that, because I think the person that you are dealing with, this person is really safe within. This person has high self esteem, this person has high confidence, so this person is not that kind of a person. But I think it's just that, you know, that nervousness, एक अच्छी वाली जो nervousness होती है ना, that is there. So don't be shocked if your person is going to propose you, or someone is coming into your life and it's a soulmate connection for sure. Okay, and whomsoever this person is, through this person you will be able to heal your past. Okay, you will be able to heal your past traumas. This person is not going to say that, oh, you have so many baggages, I can't be with you, first you need to heal yourself. No, this person is going to be there for you in all your ups and downs, your thick and thins, everything. Okay, let's see what do we have for Scorpio? We have divine timing, we have safety, we have relationship connecting, and we have watch your back. Okay, so firstly, I do feel that either your person thinks that you have certain people who are not a good influence for you, Scorpio, or you have certain people, or your person has certain people in their group who of whom they are becoming aware that, you know, this energy is not that good. This person doesn't think good of me or of my partner or about my relationship. So they are understanding about the people who are actually in support of you and this person, and people who are just pretending to be in support. Okay, so that is one very important message that I'm getting. Second message that I'm getting is that this person is definitely, this person believes in right timing, and at the right time this person is going to take your stand. I don't know, but I have this feeling jahan pe this person couldn't give you that kind of safety and comfort when it comes to their friends and with the kind of people they are with, because इस person का कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ऐसा एक group रहा है जहाँ पे they have trusted their friends more, where they you know, they chose their friends or social circle over you. Okay, and this is something that they are realizing now, that for them it's very important to connect with the relationship. It's very important to connect with you, Scorpio. Okay, so that is definitely there, but at the same time I don't know if you are going to be available for this person or not. Okay, but yes, I do feel that even you have certain enemies who do not who are not wanting your good, who are not wanting to see you happy. So make sure that your relationship is really really private, that you're not discussing about your relationship with others, and you're being able to give that safety and comfort to your partner as well. Let's see what do we have for Cancerians. So we have peace, we have soulmate, we have social media, and we have inspiration. Firstly, I do feel that whomsoever you are dealing with, this person is actually keeping tabs on your social media. Okay, this person is checking your social media, this person is probably stalking you as well. If you are in a living relationship with this person, so this person might even check your phone, your all your Instagram and stuff like that, because not because this person is controlling or dominating, but I do feel that there are certain insecurities which are popping up. Okay, and this person really really loves you. This person wants peace in this relationship. This person wants peace with you. They know that you are their soulmate. They respect you a lot. They see you with high regards, but at the same time they are also wanting to see whether you are loyal to them or not. Cancerians. Okay, so that is something which is kind of triggering them. And at the same time I do feel that they may also come up with a romantic gesture, with a sweet gesture, probably gifting you something, some music, your favorite a CD of your favorite music and stuff like that. So some gesture is also coming, but at the same time there's little bit of possessiveness and jealousy and insecurity, and that is completely okay. Okay, let's see what do we have for Aries. So we have between the lines, we have divine intervention, we have disputes. Okay, so someone is wanting to compromise in this relationship, or even if you are in a no contact zone, something happened, you guys broke up because of certain disputes, or probably the timing was not right. So your person is wanting to make a few changes in themselves. They feel that they will have to compromise, they will have to adjust if they really want Aries in their life, but they're not going to come clean. Okay, I do see that they might want to contact you, or they might want to reach out to your friends, or checking what is exactly happening in Aries life. But even if they come, they're going to come with a fight. Okay, this person only and only wants to fight with you, Aries. They do not have the guts to express their love. They do not have the guts to express how much they are actually attached to you. They are probably waiting for the right timing. They are waiting for you. They are waiting for you to contact, but I don't think that you are going to contact this person. I don't think that you are interested in this person in this manner. Okay, because if this person comes to you with all the fights and disputes every now and then I don't think this then I don't think that you think this relationship is going to go in any direction. Okay, but ऐसा हो सकता है कि ये person आए, initially this person might want to have some communication, some kind of discussion, कुछ ऐसी dispute हो सकती है या कुछ भी कह लो, but later on you will see that this person is just going to drop all their guards down. This person is going to drop that shield, and this person is going to surrender, and they might come up with this behavior or attitude that I'm done with this. I'm ready to adjust. I can do this for you, I can do that for you. So that is the kind of energy is what I see in your person's energy. Let's see what do we have for and also for the Aries, I also feel that we also got looks for look for what's hidden. So कुछ ऐसी चीजें हो सकती हैं. This person either may feel that, oh, is Aries hiding something from me? Oh, where is Aries actually? That kind of an energy can be there. Okay, so this person might want to find out what Aries is actually doing, so they might want to contact your family, your friends, something like that. Let's see what do we have for Leo. So we have addiction, we have anxiety, we have worry, commitment, and we have snake, not what it looks like. Now I'm getting two messages. One is that this person may feel that you have a snake like energy, okay, and they kind of trusted the wrong person, okay, and this is something that can really frustrate them. This is something that can really put them into a tight spot in the coming week. And other than that, for some, I really feel that your person is missing you so much, Leo, that they are probably doing some wrong stuff as well in order to, suppress their emotions, in order to remove that anxiety, worry, or whatever. This person is doing different kind of things. Probably they will hang out, they will hang out more and more, they will start smoking, they will start drinking, just to show that they are completely okay, they are completely fine. But the truth is that they want some kind of a commitment from you, okay. They are wanting to be with you, they miss you really really bad, okay. And I do feel that if you think that this person is good for you, I do feel that you should initiate a conversation, you should go to this person, because this person is definitely not doing fine without you, okay. Let's see what do we have for Sagittarius. So we have breakup, we have strong connection, we have family, and we have experienced new things. So firstly, there's a possibility that your person is actually traveling, okay. They are probably traveling with their family or their friends. So even if they do not contact you, even if they are not in talking terms with you, just know that they are actually focusing on themselves, they are focusing on their personal things, okay. Talking, or this is something that they are feeling about you also, because there's a possibility that you guys have broken up, or there's a no contact situation between you and the person you are inquiring about. Other than that, this person has definitely, they have strong feelings for you, okay. I won't say that it is love, but they definitely see you being a part of their family, okay. They would love to introduce you to their family, they would want to have a secure family with you. But at the same time, either this person thinks that you are experiencing new things in your life, so it's better to let Sagittarius be Sagittarius, okay. It's better to let them be. Or it could be you probably traveling, sorry, or it could be them probably traveling here and there, just wanting to focus on themselves, wanting to uh, you know work on themselves, just taking a break from relationship. So that some break is definitely there, and I do feel that you both do need a break from each other. Though I am someone who doesn't believe in breaks, but I do see that two people are wanting their spaces right now, okay. So this is what it is, and I think this person is going to take their space so that you can also take your space. All right, let's see what do we have for Aquarius. Okay, so what's in there for Aquarius? So we have peace, we have strategic, we have healing, and we have honesty. So one thing is for sure, that you are dealing with someone who is not at all honest with you, okay. Probably this person is using you for their healing, okay. This is what I feel, this person definitely may show that they are someone who prioritizes peace over blah blah blah. This person may show that they really want peace and stuff like that, but this person loves drama. This person is a player. Okay, this person is very strategic, Aquarius. Okay, this person is going to, एक होता है ना वो जो हम बोलते हैं कि फूक फूक के स्टेप्स लेना, पैर रखना, उस टाइप की एनर्जी है. बिकॉज दिस पर्सन इज वेरी वेरी प्रोटेक्टिव अबाउट देम सेल्व्स. ओके, एंड प्रॉबेबली दे रियली नीड टू हील अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स about their past, about themselves, about their wounds, about their childhood. But the thing is that this person is not wanting to do it. Okay, but the truth is this person really needs to work on themselves. This person needs to be more honest with you. They need to be more honest with themselves. But yeah, I do see some lies, I do see some dishonesty here, I do see some player energy, someone being too calculative, someone being too strategic. Okay, so in the name of peace, this person might want to delay communications. This person might not want to talk to you. This person might distract themselves, and this is what they call peace. Okay, so they are not understanding that peace doesn't come with distractions or eliminating such things. These things are going to be a part of life, right? So yeah, you are dealing with someone who needs to work on themselves first before they work on this relationship with you. Let's see, what do we have for Libra? Coming Monday till Sunday. Okay, so we have soulmate, we have intuition, we have divine intervention, and we have reconciliation. So I do see some reconciliation energies are there. Your person might want to rebuild this connection with you. So this person is going to contact you probably, or they will, at least even if they do not contact, let's say that you guys are in a no contact zone, and if this person doesn't contact with you, they do not text you or anything, but in their mind, in their head, they will make this judgment. They will have this clarity that, you know, Libra is someone with whom I want to spend my life with. Okay, this is what is happening, because this person is not being able to move on even if they try. This person is wanting to be with you, and I think the energy is mutual here. You are also feeling the same about this person. Okay, though you both know here the energies are mutual, so I do feel that you both know that this is a divine connection. You are meant to be with this person. You both help each other to grow a lot in various ways. Okay, but somehow the timing is not right. Okay, this connection involves divine intervention. This connection involves perfect timing. Okay, this connection involves that right timing, that when that time is right, everything is going to fall in place. You are not with the wrong person, whether you are in a no contact zone or not. You are with the right person. It's just that universe is planting certain seeds, or universe is planning or doing something behind the veil. Universe is doing or strategizing few steps about this relationship, because universe really wants both of you to be happy with each other. Universe wants to see a happy ending when it comes to both of you. So that is there. Okay, and I do think that even if you are in a relationship, but kahin na kahin relationship mein kuch na kuch issues chal rahe the, kuch blockages chal rahe the, so now kuch aisi energies ban rahi hai jahan pe you will be able to reconcile with your person in a much better way. Okay, you will be able to connect with your partner in a much better manner. Okay, let's see, what do we have for Gemini? So we have courage. Definitely your person is wanting to reach out to you. This person is also thinking that is Gemini dating someone new? Okay, this person is really looking at your growth, Gemini. Whomsoever you have in your mind right now, probably you are working on your inner growth as well. This person has also this thing that, I'm not meeting Gemini for the first time, and yet it feels that I'm meeting someone new. This is the kind of energy that they have for you, Gemini. Okay, they are wanting to reach out to you. They are having or gathering courage to give you some kind of comfort, some kind of security, safety, certainty as well. So even if you're dating someone new, I think it's all heads up. Okay, you can go ahead with this person. You will find that safety with this person. You both will help each other to grow as well, Gemini. So it's a beautiful energy, and I think this connection is blessed by the God itself. Okay, so you do not have to second doubt this connection, though I do see that you both are completely opposites. You have a different say into certain things. You have a different lifestyle. This person has a different lifestyle, but when you both are going to come together, you're going to integrate very beautifully, very beautifully. You will be able to give each other that safety. Okay, so whenever, even if you're dealing with someone from your past, or yeah, especially if you're dealing with someone from your past, look at this person from a new lens, from as if you're meeting a new person. Okay, as if you don't know this person at all, because this person has also changed with time, and you have also changed with time. Okay, so it's time to see things from a fresh perspective. Take this relationship forward, bring that safety, that comfort, that strong foundation. But yes, this person knows that they will have to put a lot of efforts on you, and you should also know that you will also have to put equal amount of efforts in this connection. Okay, so that was your reading, and I hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Bye.